I think the number one and by far the best way today is LinkedIn. I see a lot of students today are active on LinkedIn. And when you're reaching out to professionals on LinkedIn, the number one mistake I see students make is that they create one message and then they drop it out to 1,000 people. That is extremely disrespectful to any senior professional. And the chances are that they wouldn't care, because the instant impression that they give is, you think I'm stupid and free that I'll give my time to you? Absolutely not. Nobody is sitting idle at their office, right? If you want somebody to reach back to you and respond to you, the number one approach to using LinkedIn is that you have to send a personalized invite. You research about the company, research about the person, you research about the role, and do not expect the person to do the research for you and give you a gyan without you having to put the extra effort. The onus of putting the extra effort always lies on you and not the person that you're reaching out. A lot of people, reach out to me as well, and they have very, very vague queries, which the obvious answer is that you could have Googled that, right? So before you reach out to anybody, the first thing that you should ask is, can I Google this before I send it to somebody else? Don't ask obvious questions. That turns out that somebody has not put in any effort before reaching out. The next obvious phase, of course, is that you reach out to your college alumni network. You reach, if you're interning somebody, you ask your manager for a reference. You work so well that your manager automatically gives you references to his friends, right? The most underrated networking is when you don't network. If you're working somewhere, if you're interning somewhere, and you come across as somebody who's very trustworthy, hardworking, and reliable, I have seen most of the times people are more eager to refer such interns rather than the interns having to ask for it. To create an impression, and that by itself leads to inbound references and inbound networking rather than you having to put in outbound effort.